How to enable or disable press volume up to answer calls on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. Then we go to the top and tap on the more button. Then from the pop-up, tap on settings. Now in call settings, we scroll down. And in here, tap on answering and ending calls. Next, we go down. And in here, tap on press volume up to answer calls. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Once it is turned on, you can use the volume up key to answer the call. Okay, so here I can press the volume up to answer the call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.